Hello and welcome to another tutorial created by Bian the Bombshell. Do you desire smooth hair? Are you looking to learn the technique of hot combing? In this tutorial, you will learn how to achieve straight, smooth hair using a hot comb. But first, what is a hot comb? The hot comb began in France where women desired to have straight hair. The desire came from Egyptian women who had very straight hair. The hot comb was popular in France around 1845. Anne Malone was known to have the first patent of the hot comb. Her former worker, C.J. Walker, improved the tool in the 1900s. The items you will need include pressing oil, section clips, rat tail comb, and a styling brush. To begin, a stove is needed to use the hot comb. Heat up the stove at a high temperature. I personally like to use 8 on an electric stove range. The burner will take a few minutes to heat up. In the meantime, I've washed and blow dried my hair the night before. I'm going to take down a section of hair and prepare it. I'm now using Dax pressing oil and spreading a small amount into the section of hair. Now the stove is hot and ready. Place the hot comb on the edge of the burner. If using a gas range, place the comb directly over the heat source. Do not let the handle touch the burner. Let the hot comb heat up for 30 to 45 seconds. Be sure to wash the hot comb and never leave it unattended. Use all safety measures as much as possible. Now we're back in the bathroom. The comb had time to cool down while heading back. Place the hot comb at the roots of the hair. Turn your wrist upwards. Glide down slowly, feeding the hair into the comb until you reach the end. Once again. Now let's do another section of hair. Repeat the previous steps again. An important step to remember: clean the hot comb in between heating with a dried paper towel. Be sure it's clean and free of strands of hair. Now back in the kitchen. Place the hot comb back onto the stove. Let it reheat for another 30 to 45 seconds. Don't worry, heading back and forth from the kitchen to the bathroom will indeed give you plenty of exercise. Again, place the hot comb at the roots. Turn the tool upward and glide down gently. And now you're all finished. Now you've achieved the beautiful results of smooth hair, and now you've learned the technique of how to use a hot comb. Send a telegram, drop a comment on your thoughts. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. And until next time, bye.